Today we are going to do the smoky shimmery look with pink lip. It's a smoky finish, so we'll start the contouring with the black. I'm just drawing the V shape to define the outer corner. Now I'm going to smudge the outer corner. Smudge it towards inner corner. After the blending, I'm filling the lids with the copper pigment. Now I'm contouring with the darker color to her nose, cheekbones and jawline. Now I'm going to draw the liner with an angular brush. The outer corner is smoky, so the liner should be smudged. Now I'm drawing the lower line. I'm just covering the water line. Now I am applying the mascara. I am filling the lip liner to get the intensity. Now I am filling the lips with the lipstick with the same fuchsia pink. I hope you like this look. Do try it.